Hi guys, welcome to this new lecture about the pen tool. This is live with you from eschoolonline.com and I hope you're enjoying this course and having lots of fun. Fine, let's look at the pen tool. You can click and choose your pen tool, but always try to give a stroke to the pen tool before you start drawing or doing anything. You can also give a fill or remove a fill, that depends on you. I will click once and you notice a dot has been created. This is a vertex. If you click another time, you can also hold shift to make a straight line. It will create another vertex. This is the point or the node, and create a line in between the two vertexes. You can click again, for example, to create a third vertex, and you can decide this is the shape that you want, that's an angle, or you can close it. Notice how it will close. Notice the circle next to the pen tool, and if you click here, it will close. You can click on a point or a vertex and start moving it around to change the way your shape is. I use the shape mainly to create triangles, and that's it. This shape tool is not meant like the Illustrator or Photoshop tool so you can draw, complex things. It just draws basic shapes, but it's extremely useful when you are drawing masks and adjusting masks. We will see that later for videos and for images. You can come also add another node here or a vertex point and move it around the way you want. Now, the way I'm doing it is I'm clicking once, then I go away, then I come back and drag. So this is how you use your pen tool to draw any kind of shape you want. Limited to these kind of drawings and no complex, Illustrator kind of drawings. Fine, let's delete that shape layer and let's see another way we can use the shape tool. If I click and drag, I will be creating a vertex or a node that is Bezier. You notice the handles here. Cool. If I click and drag again, I have another Bezier point that I can manipulate the way I want. Another one, same, I click and drag. But also I can click, and this point here, this node is not a Bezier, it's just normal. You will see. If you would like to, you can close your shape. Now notice this one is just a normal one, a straight line, is not a Bezier one. Now with the Bezier handles, you can move around the Bezier handles, you can bring them nearer or bring them further. Notice if you bring it to close it, here it will become a straight line. You can also come and move again. That's it. You can also use the converter. If I long click, you will find convert vertex tool, and I can take a straight point and click on it. It will become a Bezier tool. If you click on one of the handles, they will start moving separately and it will become a continuous Bezier. Click again and you can move them anywhere you want. You can also select your selection tool and move the handles the way you want. So it will help you to create certain shapes. Now, animating this shape is very different from animating the other shapes. If you're animating the layer or you're animating the content. Notice also it did not open the contents for us the way it will open for a circle or a rectangle. This is all I want to tell you now about the pen tool, and later on we'll scrutinize the pen tool a bit more when we become a bit professional in the shape layers. I'll see you in the next lecture.